cute, right?
Petey's just over here running around on the couch. Now, Kiara, nope, come here. Come here. No. You stay in here. Yeah, you stay in here. You silly girl. Petey's over here. They like to run around on that stair rail. They like to go down the stairs, but they're not allowed down there because that's where my daughter and her husband live. And it is probably the most non-monkey-proofed area ever. So they're not allowed down there unless I'm with them on the leash. Do you see Petey go up to her? He wanted to love on her, and she's like, nope, not in the mood. I am not in the mood for lovin's. Huh, I am not in the mood for lovin's. Nope, you're not allowed to go down there. Nope, you gotta stay in here. My office door is open, and they are not allowed in my office. There's way too many things in there that are dangerous for them to get into. So, what you doing, Petey? Little crazy Petey. They just got done eating dinner, and this is what we do after dinner is, well, for about an hour or so, is we just play, and that way they get that, no, girl, she knew, you knew, you're not supposed to go down there. But we play around for about an hour so they get that last poop in before we change the diapers, and then the rest of the night we watch TV. And nope, Kiara, no. Come on, guys. Crazy monkey kids. Crazy monkey kids. You stay over here, Petey. Kiara. Little Kiara. Oh, there goes Petey, playing with Frankie. Kiara, come on. She's dragging on my, Nah, stay over here. Come here. Now he's jumping on me. Crazy monkey kids. The crazy monkey kids. He's checking out outside. Frankie's like, oh great. Free roam time. It's free roam time. Where you going, Petey? Where you going? Where you going? Kiara, get back in here. And you stay over here. Oh, you see the camera? And now I'm videoing Frankie. Nope. You stay over here. Come here, Kiara. Poor Frankie. Poor Frankie. Kiara, come here, honey. Kiara. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Kiara, come here. Petey's back over there with Frankie. Kiara. Kiara. Petey man. Those kids are noisy out there. Poor Frankie. No, Kiara, come here. Kiara, come here. And there they go. I can't even chase you guys. They got way too much energy. He's on me. Yo, Petey. Oh. He likes playing with Frankie. You like playing with Frankie? What a good Petey boy. Yeah. What a good girl. What a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy. Oh, he just jumped on me. He just jumped on me. Frankie's like, I'm just going to lay here and chill and let the monkeys come to me. Petey. Petey. Kiara. Kiara, did you go down the stairs? You better get your little monkey butt back up here. Petey's like, my little monkey butt's going to stay right over here. And my little monkey butt's going to stay right over here and play with Frankie. Petey's such a good little boy. Oh, the little Petey. What a good boy. What a good Petey. What a good boy. Kiara's over there checking out the toys. It's a little more difficult doing free roam with two of them than it was with just one. It's a little more challenging trying to keep up with both of them when they go in separate directions. It's like they're in cahoots together. Like, I'll go this way and you go that way. One of us will get away with it. Huh? One of us will get away with it. So now you see why when I'm doing videos, I've got them on a leash because I can't keep up with the both of them and trying to do a video. Petey over there playing with Frankie. She stole something from the kitchen. Oh, it's probably candy. No, it's a fortune cookie. She stole a fortune cookie from the kitchen while I was in here with Petey. Yeah, you're not supposed to have that. Yeah, that got lots of sugar. Yeah, you're not supposed to have that. I have to chase her down to get this darn fortune cookie from her before she eats it. And it's not going to kill her, but it does have sugar in it. Kiara. And she got the fortune cookie open. Little Kiara eating a fortune cookie that she's not supposed to be eating. Because Mommy wasn't watching. Because I wasn't watching when you went into the kitchen. Oh, boy. Yeah, you're not supposed to have that fortune cookie. No, you're not supposed to. Little Kiara. Yeah, you're not supposed to have it, are you? Just being a bad monkey, huh? You're being a bad monkey. Petey's jumping on me. And Kiara.